Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. Welcome. My name is Kristen. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this Idewcare Tea Trio starter kit. So if you guys want to hear all about this, then keep watching. Before I get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that Idewcare did send this to me. And yes, I still cannot believe it. I filmed an unboxing when I originally got this. I'll link that down below. But when you're a small influencer, and when I started this, I didn't think brands would know who I was. I didn't think anyone would want to send me things. It is just so cool that a brand that is sold in Ulta sent me something. And I don't know, I can't get over that. Idewcare sent me their Tea Trio starter kit along with a bunch of other goodies. Like I said, the video will be linked down below. And you guys, you need this in your life if you have acne, or if you just get those little pop-up stress pimples or anything. You need this. Either you need the whole kit, or you need the cleanser that I'm going to talk about, or their roll-on face oil. I'm telling you, I'm dead serious. This is one of my favorite things that I've used in such a long time. So let me tell you all about it. This kit comes with 3 products. You get the Clean Zit Away Acne Foaming Face Cleanser, Roll with Tea Tree Roll-on Face Oil, and 10 Here's the Tea Tree Soothing Sheet Masks. So this whole kit retails for $28, which I think is really good because you're getting 10 sheet masks, a roll-on acne treatment, and a cleanser. I mean, it is a mini size, but I've been using this for probably almost a month now, and I'm probably just hit about halfway through, so a little goes a long way with this, but we'll talk about them in a second. But $28 for all of this is an amazing price. Obviously, links down below. I'll have the whole kit and everything separate if you're just interested in one specific product. All right, let's first talk about the cleanser. This is the Clean Zit Away Cleanser. It has salicylic acid, 1.5%. This is a foaming cleanser, which I really like. It's super gentle on the skin. My skin feels so amazing after I use it. It just feels so clean. You can use 1 to 2 pumps, and you can use it morning and night. So in the morning, I'll just use 1 pump, and at night I use 2, just because at night I'm taking off my makeup and just all the sweat and grossness from the day. My skin just feels amazing. I don't have any makeup on right now. I just have mascara and some brow gel. And I just think my skin has really cleared up after using this. It just looks good for the first time in a long time. Even my mom said when I started using this, she was like, your skin's been looking really good. And normally my skin's never looking too good, but I really think it's this product. And the full size of this is $19, which honestly is not a bad price considering how long this has lasted me. This is 50 milliliters or 1.69 fluid ounces, and the full size is 150 milliliters or 5.07 fluid ounces. So it's gonna last you forever for $19. That's a phenomenal price. Next, we're gonna talk about the Roll with Tea Tree, and this is my favorite product. If you're gonna get anything from this, because you have those annoying little stubborn blemishes that pop up from time to time, buy this. This is going to be the best $12 you have ever spent in your whole entire life. So I've been getting the most annoying little pimples that aren't popping through the surface, if that makes sense, around my nose. They're annoying, and they're those painful kinds. You know what I'm talking about? I'll put this on. I'll incorporate it in my skincare routine morning and night. When I put this on in the morning, I'm not kidding you, by nighttime, the pimple size has reduced significantly. It's almost gone. Then if I put this on at night, it's gone by the next day. This is phenomenal, and I'm telling you, I'm using it and it looks like absolutely nothing has been used. I use this almost daily because I've just been getting so many stubborn little breakouts around the chin and around my nose. Highly recommend this. Like I said, best $12 you will ever spend. This is the full size at 11 milliliters or 0.37 fluid ounces. You need this in your life just for spot treatment. Last, we're gonna talk about here's the tea tree sheet masks. So one of these retails for $3, but then if you want a pack of 10, it is $22. So if you think about it, this whole kit is $28. So this plus this is $34. So then you're saving $6, and then you're getting like a free cleanser, essentially. So it's a really good deal when you think about it. But I really love these masks. They're soothing sheet masks with tea tree leaf extract. They have real tea tree in the mask, and there's tea tree leaf extract and 4-terpenol. I have no idea how you say that. But these I like because you just cleanse your skin, leave it on for 20 minutes, and then you just remove it and pat in all that extra essence. The tea tree, it's like the little brown specks. I don't know if you could see it. They don't really like linger on the skin too much, which is, I don't know, that doesn't bother me, but I really like these. They're really relaxing. They smell so nice. I like the tea tree smell apparently because everything's just so relaxing smelling. I love these during this hot summer that we're having because they're nice and cool. These are amazing alone or with this whole little trio. I definitely recommend picking them up if you're looking for a new sheet mask to try out. Overall, I highly recommend this starter kit. Even if you don't want to try everything, try something from this kit. You will not regret it. Every product is just absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Idewcare, for sending me this kit. I love it. It's amazing, and I'm not just saying that to you guys. I really do like it. If I didn't like it, trust me, you would know. I give you guys 100% honest reviews over here. I don't like that fake review stuff. I love these products. They're absolutely phenomenal. Let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna pick up the whole kit or just one of the products to try out. I would definitely love to hear your thoughts. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.